Okay, this is the new Graft shower and the Graft cleaning station. And as you can see, cleaning station is made of stainless steel. It has a removable top. And inside that, we collect the byproduct of washing the grafts, which is really a serosanguinous exudate that makes the grafts quite sticky. So we developed this top part to go on top of this stainless steel bowl, and it just fits right in there. And from there, we take it to our Graft shower. And so with our Graft shower, we want to clean off all the blood byproducts that are on the graft. Now, of course, there are several ways this could be done. First is to, we have some grafts here, and you can see it's just full of red material that makes the grafts quite sticky. And that's what blood does. It congeals and forms clots. We want to get grafts out of this area and put them on our graft cleaning station. And we'll continue with that. Now, there are several ways we can do this. One way would be to spray the grafts with a hand sprayer. And that's quite effective. But a lot of times there's a lot more blood than this, and it's hard to clean. You wear your hand out, you get carpal tunnel. So that's why we developed this Graft cleaning station. And with the Graft cleaning station with the Graft shower, we just give the grafts a little shower. We turn on the pump, and it washes away very rapidly all the blood byproducts and makes the grafts quite clean and makes them look really, really nice. And so they're not so sticky anymore. Just wash away the debris. And no hand pumping, no hand fatigue, and really, really nice grafts.